Hi there, welcome to BA Consulting Pro. I know what you are thinking. You are thinking that this should be the episode 2 of our series DP-700. However, this is not. And why not? Because in this part, I'm first going to let you know how to resolve one error message. Yes, you understand correctly. Look at your screen. Whenever you would proceed with your DP-700 exam preparation, or maybe in your day-to-day life while working with Microsoft Fabric, you are trying to connect with an Excel file, then you may encounter this error. That means whenever you are creating a data flow, which is our episode 2, and in our next episode, I'm going to start work on that. But before that, this is really important. So when you try to connect, you would get this kind of error. And how to solve this error, what you can do, everything you would get to know in this video. So please stay tuned with me till the end of this video, and I'm going to let you know everything about it. Alright guys, here we are. So whenever you get this kind of message, you may see that you need to install one software, or you can also say that there's a one particular module that you need to install, or you can also say it's a driver. You need to install it Access Database Engine OLEDB provider to connect any CSV or Excel file while creating a data flow. And now you must be wondering, what is the data flow? Well, if you have already watched my previous videos, there I have explained clearly what is data flow. You can consider data flow is kind of a process for ETL where you can transform your data using Power Query, and then you can load certain data to your workspace, or you may create a data set, or you can also use them in your pipelines. Now, as soon as I paste it, I got this error, and you have to go on this website. Once you would go over there, then you would come over here. This website, how to troubleshoot Access and Excel XLS import issues in Power BI Desktop. Then you have to come on this one, no Access Database Engine installed. So you need to click over here, and over here, if you're going to come down, you have to install a 64-bit. If your Power BI Desktop application is 64-bit and your Office is also 64-bit, otherwise you may go to 32-bit. But do remember that you need to change the language over here as well, like I did English over here. Once you are going to do everything, then you would see a Windows is going to pop up while installing this particular software, which is going to be something like this. Please stay online while Microsoft 365 and Office downloads. So I have installed it. You may also need to do that. Once you do that, what you can do, you can simply copy this URL. So this is a URL from Microsoft documentation only. In our next video, I'm going to tell you how to get that one. So I'm gonna go back, and here I'm gonna cancel it. This is the part where I was preparing a tutorial for data flow gen 2, an exercise which you would see in our next episode. So click on this one. Now I'm gonna use this link to file, paste it over here, and simply click next. I hope so. I'm not going to get that error now because I already installed it. And now you can see that I'm again getting that error. And why is that so? Well, you see, I'm already over here. I have already installed that particular provider. So let's close this one. And maybe now I need to go back again, or I need to restart my machine. So I'm going to come back over here after restarting my machine. So let me restart it quickly. All right, guys, now we are back. So let's try again. And here this error still persists. I'm not sure why it's coming again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this file over here. I'm going to save as. I'm going to use my download folder, and I'm going to import over here. So let's try to first open this file, whether this opens or not. Otherwise, we have to take another route to resolve this error. So we can see that it's working now. I'm going to close this one. I'm going to cancel this from here, and I'm going to create it from the scratch because we have already installed the software. That's not a problem. So what I'm going to do, I'll try to come here again. Yes, I'm not satisfied at all. So submit. And too many errors. That's how you can also give feedback, guys. I'm going to come here and I'm going to again select data flows gen 2. That's what we are trying to create, and I'm going to say test error. You can give it any name, and if you want to enable it, you can do that. I'm going to talk more about it in our upcoming video. Let me copy this path once again, and now I'm going to get data again, and it's saying connect to a data source. So you have to remember one thing, which probably we are not doing in the right way. Our file is a CSV file, and I was trying to import the data from Excel. So let's try this time from the CSV. Again, it's going to be the same. And let's see this time whether I can connect or not. And hurrah, here we go. So here is the learning from this particular video. The very first, when you are trying with Excel, ideally it should get data from there too, because it was giving an error message that you need to solve this one. And they also have a dedicated page over here. Go to back. Yes, over here. No Access database engine installed. So you were trying troubleshoot Access and XLS import issues, and you were getting the error. And I also didn't pay the attention that I'm not importing the Excel. I was trying CSV. So why that error was coming over there rather than saying that, hey, you need to go to CSV one. And here is working perfectly fine. So if you are going to get data from CSV, use the CSV option, but still you may need to install that particular software. We have already installed, I have signed in, maybe that's why it's working. Otherwise it wouldn't have worked there as well. That's it guys for this video. If you have any question, concern or feedback, please give us in the comment section. Also do share this video with your friends, colleagues, and the other people who would really like to learn Microsoft Fabric. That may help them out, or that may solve their problem as well. What do you think about it? Did you like it? If yes, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe this channel and join our channel to support us so that we can create more videos like that. In our next video, we are going to talk about data flows gen 2. Till then, take care of yourself and keep exploring the world of data. I'm going to see you in the next video.